Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, then create the project folder and initialize npm. Install your chosen AR framework, A-Frame or AR, JS or 3, JS with WebXR support. Once done, add a simple HTML shell and reference the library CDN or local build. Make sure to include a responsive viewport meta tag. Generate or convert a GLTF model and place it in a public assets folder so the browser can fetch it immediately when you test locally. Now you implement interaction and placement logic. Create the AR scene and enable an AR session. Request immersive R for WebXR or use marker patterns for AR. JS. Next, add anchor logic. Either hit test for plane detection or attach to a marker. Spawn your GLTF at that anchor, then apply default scale and orientation. Then wire pointer events for tap to place, drag to rotate, and pinch to scale. Add smoothing and clamp values to keep interactions stable and natural for users. Finish by polishing and testing across devices. Optimize assets, reduce draw calls, and enable efficient texture usage so you reach a consistent 30 to 60 frames per second. Deploy to an HTTPS host because modern browsers require secure origins for AR. Set correct feature policy and permissions for camera and motion. If things go wrong, open DevTools and check console errors, verify HTTPS and permissions, and ensure the device supports WebXR or the chosen AR library.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.